Right, we're going to show you in under 2 minutes how you are going to clean a semi-aniline leather jacket by Karen Millen. So first of all, we're going to use the Aniline leather cleaner, LRC7. We obviously don't want to spray the cleaner directly onto the jacket. We're going to spray it onto the bamboo pad. So first of all, we don't want to go spraying anywhere near this. So we're going to move the jacket so the jacket is like so. So that you clean here as a top tip. You don't want to get obviously the product on the lining. We're then going to spray directly onto the pad. This has a little lock nut here, you can see on here. You can see this lock nut just here. That one just there. You want to move that left or right to open that. If you put it in the middle, then that is completely locked, as you can see. Either side, it is open. So get your LRC7 Aniline leather cleaner onto the pad. You don't want to rub aggressively. You're just going to gently go over the surface. It's going to create this nice foaming action, which is what you want. You can use a soft bristle brush if you wanted to do it that way as well. But the bamboo pads are absolutely fantastic for doing this. They don't damage. They're ultra safe, as is the Aniline leather cleaner. It's absolutely ultra safe, worry-free product for you to use. Simply then wipe away with the bamboo cloth. Again, both of them being bamboo, they're fantastic because they leave an antimicrobial system behind. And there you go, you have it, a really nice refreshed leather jacket in under 2 minutes. It's very simple. And that is exactly how you're going to do that. And you'd then proceed to the next panel. That is how you're going to clean your leather jacket with the Aniline leather cleaner from the Leather Repair Company. That is LRC7 with your bamboo pad and your bamboo cloth. Thank you very much for watching.